Good morning, students. Today our class is English and we will study unit number 8, poem part, vocation. Before reciting this poem, I want to tell you that if any pending work is there from uh, from unit number 8, prose part, uh, that is, wait a bit, that is from from the game of chance, please inform me. Then I will send you all the photos and you will write in your workbook. Okay, let's start vocation. On your way to school or market, you see many people at work in pairs. Discuss what you have noticed. Then read this poem. You may read it aloud with a partner if you like. When the gongs sound 10 in the morning and I walk to school by our lane, every day I meet the hawker crying, Bangladesh, crystal Bangladesh. There is nothing to hurry him on. There is no road he must take, no place he must go to, no time when he must come home. I wish I were a hawker, spending my day in the road, crying Bangladesh, crystal Bangladesh. When at 4 in the afternoon I come back from the school, I can see through the gate of that house the gardener digging the ground. He does what he likes with his spade. He soils his cloth with dust. Nobody takes him to task if he goes back in the sun or gets wet. I wish I were a gardener digging away at the garden with nobody to stop me from digging. Just as it gets dark in the evening and my mother sent me to bed, I can see through my open window the watchman walking up and down. The lane is dark and lonely, and the street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern and walks with his shadow at his side, and never once goes to bed in his life. I wish I were a watchman walking the street all night, chasing the shadow with my lantern. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Now I am just giving you some glossaries, and after this I will read its summary of this poem. Glossary: crystal means made of clear or transparent. High quality glass. Hawker means one who sells goods in the street or from house to house calling out. Baked means scorched by terrible heat. Phrases: take to task, criticize somebody severely, especially for doing something wrong, up and down, moving upward and downwards alternately. Now, summary of this poem is: Vacation is a poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. In this poem, he explains the interest of a child in three vacations which he sees at three different times of the day. The poet explains how and why the child feels the need to be each of them. At 10 in the morning, when the child goes to school, he sees a Bangladesh sailor crying out, Bangladesh, crystal Bangladesh. The child loves the freedom the Bangladesh sailor lives in. He can follow any road, go to any place, and has no fixed time to do anything. In fact, the Bangladesh sailor is in no hurry. The child wishes that he were a Bangladesh sailor crying Bangladesh, crystal Bangladesh at 4 p.m. While coming back from school. The child sees a gardener digging the ground. He is also a free man. He can do anything with his spade. He can soil his clothes with mud. No one criticizes him or disturbs him if he gets wet. None can stop him from digging. So the child wishes to be a gardener, digging the ground with freedom. Night comes, the child's mother sends him to bed. The child then sees through the open window a watchman walking up and down the dark, lonely lane. The street lamp stands like a giant with one red eye in its head. The watchman swings his lantern. He never goes to bed. The child wishes that he were a watchman walking the street all night and chasing the shadow with the lantern. So, this is the gist or summary of the poem. I hope you understood. Next class we will meet. If any queries, please inform me through WhatsApp. Okay, see you in next class. Thank you.